Hello, my name is Merlin Bödecker. I am a research assistant at the Institute of Mechanics at TU Dortmund University and a member of the CRC 188 since 2022. The main objective of my research involves the development and implementation of macroscopic material models that cover various phenomena relevant for the prediction and control of damage in forming processes. During the initial funding period, focus was placed on the development of a large-strain gradient-enhanced material model accounting for isotropic ductile damage. This phenomenological model features a coupling of damage and plasticity through a multi-surface formulation. Herein, damage evolution is modeled to be dependent on stress triaxiality, a quantity identified in the CRC as significant for damage evolution. In order to avoid unphysical mesh-dependent responses, typically associated with local damage models, a gradient enhancement was applied introducing a non-local damage variable. The model was calibrated to DP800 steel and made available to other projects by implementation into the commercial finite element software Abacus. In the second funding period, the damage formulation was extended to account for deformation-induced anisotropic ductile damage evolution, as observed in forming processes including load path changes. For this purpose, a tensor-valued damage metric was introduced based on a fictitious configuration, with focus being placed on suitable damage driving forces. To facilitate its implementation into Abacus, the model introduces gradient-type regularizations of both damage and plasticity through only two additional scalar field variables, for which a suitable Abacus framework was established by Project S01. Towards the simulation of the entire process chain, a micromechanically motivated large-strain recrystallization model was developed. The model is capable of predicting the microstructural evolution and related recrystallization-dependent softening effect. Now in the third funding period, established models shall be applied and calibrated to other metals such as aluminum, including further required model modifications. In addition, prediction of microstructural evolution resulting from phase transformations shall be combined with modeling of initial microstructure-dependent ductile damage evolution in subsequent cold forming processes. Reduction of pre-existing damage through void shrinkage up to void closure and void healing induced by mechanical and thermal loading paths shall be modeled by introducing an additional healing variable along with a meaningful damage reduction driving force. Finally, in a collaborative effort together with Project C06, a computationally efficient approach to quantify effects of uncertainty of material parameters on damage variables will be established, therefore contributing to the reliability-based simulation of forming processes.